we are learning to say the number before and after to 10. Practice counting forwards with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do that again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's practice counting backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's do that again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now let's work on the number that comes after. What number comes after the number 3? The number that comes after the number 3 is 4. What comes after the number 6? The number that comes after the number 6 is 7. What comes after the number 1? The number that comes after the number 1 is 2. What comes after the number 8? The number that comes after the number 8 is 9. What comes after the number 5? The number that comes after the number 5 is 6. What number comes after the number 9? The number that comes after the number 9 is 10. Now let's work on the number that comes before. What number comes before the number 3? The number that comes before the number 3 is 2. What number comes before the number 10? The number that comes before the number 10 is 9. What number comes before the number 7? The number that comes before the number 7 is 6. What number comes before the number 5? The number that comes before the number 5 is the number 4. What number comes before the number 6? The number that comes before the number 6 is 5. What number comes before the number 1? The number that comes before the number 1 is 0.